Find the quotient using long division. Doing long division with polynomials is very similar to long division with integers. When doing long division, you first need to make sure that the dividend is written so that its terms have exponents in descending order. If any exponent is missing, a placeholder needs to be used. The dividend of this problem has m squared, m to the first, and then a constant, so there are no missing terms. The first step is to divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. The quotient is written over its like term in the dividend. Next, multiply the first partial quotient, m, by the divisor m plus 4. Write this partial product under the like terms of the dividend. The next step is to subtract the partial product from the dividend and bring down the next term of the dividend. Divide the first term from the difference by the first term of the divisor, and start the whole process again. Multiply the next partial quotient, 5, by the divisor, m plus 4, and write the partial product under the like terms of the dividend. Finally, subtract the partial product from the previous difference. If this difference is 0, there is no remainder. If the difference is not 0, then the remainder can be written over the divisor and added on the end of the quotient. In this case, there is no remainder. The final answer, when m squared plus 9m plus 20 is divided by m plus 4, is m plus 5. If you want to check your work, you can multiply the quotient and the divisor, and it should give you the dividend.